So what is up, Jousters? Joustinians University. So let's get right into it, you know? Wala pa yung graphics card, kaya ito muna. So una sa lahat, itanggal muna natin mga gamit dito kasi lalagyan muna natin case. So ang case fans po natin is yung Dark Flash 3-in-1 Pro RGB. May aura sig na siya. It looks good for Micro ATX. This is the DLM22. Let's open it na. Where's our knife? Actually guys, dumating na to last month, pero hinihintay ko kasi wala pa yung GPU natin. Looks so good. This is the case itself. Hindi ko lang talaga alam kung kakasya dito yung Dark Rock Pro 4 na CPU cooler, pero tignan natin mamaya. Pero una sa lahat, unbox muna natin to kasi nandito yung screwdriver. That's a beefy cooler right there. Nga pa rin cooler, napakalaki. Sana magkasya, no? Ayan po, dito po nakatago yung screwdriver. Very convenient. Magnetic na po siya. This is the reason why I bought this specific cooler kasi may screwdriver. Tanggalin muna natin yung front panel. Magnetic latch siya. Ayan. Sabi daw sa manual, 90 degrees. Tapos i-lift up ito. Ayan. Tanggalan po natin tong tempered glass. Kaya ilalagay muna natin sa box for safekeeping. Tanggalin na rin natin yung nasa likod. Back screws. Dito naman is makikita natin yung mga front panel connectors and yung screws para sa power supply and motherboard. Ayan po, kumuha tayo ng plato para sa screws natin. Now, let's unbox these fans so we can put it on the case. So this is the RGB controller. Yan na po, na may remote pa sa likod. These are the screws and these are the fans. Boom. Tatlo po siyang RGB fans. I'm gonna set it up. Right, let's just put the fans now. Tanggalin natin para ma-mount natin yung fans natin. Pinyan, i-lift ko daw to, tapos lalabas na to. Wow! Pwede natin siya i-cable manage dito sa taas and just pass it through. Alright guys, so we have installed the fans. Clean installation of the fans. It could be here. We have done here the fans here, and the RGB controller. Let's proceed to the motherboard. So let's set this aside muna. I went with a Asus TUF Gaming B550M plus Wi-Fi motherboard so we can get that Wi-Fi 6 and that Bluetooth connectivity also. And it supports Ryzen 5000 na rin if you have a BIOS update. And let's do it! Oh, ito yung antenna for the Wi-Fi. Oh my god guys! Hindi ko nakita sa order to pero meron silang inad na free Team Group M.2 SSD. Thank you for the seller who put this in here. I'm sure that I'm gonna use this, you know. Ooh. I can feel the heft. Nararamdaman ko yung heft neto. So ito yung IO shield, don't forget that later. Certificate of reliability, thank you Asus for that. I mean, who use discs anymore? Yeah, nag-add rin sila ng TUF Gaming stickers. SATA connectors. These are the teeny-weeny M.2 SSD screws, okay. So, a good anti-static station is on top of this box. Yan. So, ano next? Of course, the CPU. So guys, I went for an AMD system. This is a Ryzen 9 3900X. Bakit Dustine? Ba't mo ito pinili? Kasi this is very good for rendering videos, multitasking, 3D rendering, gaming. Grand opening. Damn. Pwede natin itong gawing tissue box for the flex kasi may butas dito. So, ayan na yung Ryzen system natin. Very cool. Let's be careful with that. May sticker na rin. Another sticker. Really nice. What's inside of here is the certificate of authenticity and the... Is this the Wraith Stealth cooler or the Wraith Prism cooler? Kung hindi kasya yan, sige, ito na muna. This can be a good backup cooler kung nasira man yun or something. So, let's just keep this. Ayan. This is kinda heavy. Akala ko magaan lang to pero you know. That's it. Tapos na yun. I-align natin siya sa triangle dito. And just, sabi nila, wag natin i-push. Just drop it. Yan, nag-drop lang siya. Wag natin i-push down kasi masisira yung pins. And give it a little shake. And it's secured. I heard it drop and just pull down and just lock the pin. Ganun lang kasimple. Kasi yung hindi simple dito is yung cable management. Next, the memory. So the memory, we're gonna put a Trident Z Neo. RGB na rin siya para mukhang mabilis. And it is a CL18 memory. Medyo may latency siya pero it is 3600 MHz. Ryzen loves high megahertz. Kaya let's open this bad boy also. Two of these memory modules are 16 gigs, 16 plus 16, 32 gigs. Ilalagay ko siya sa slot 2 and 4 so I can upgrade to 64 gigs if I like. Open these DIMM slots. So let's prepare that on the second and fourth slot. And let's push down. And push it down. And when you hear a click, your memories are installed. Next, we're gonna put our M.2 SSDs. So let's just open this bad boy up again. Lighting. Whoa. Damn. Grabe guys. This is literally pure copper. Ang bigat. Bakit ano na itong SSD? Yes, yeah. I don't overscrew it. And we have our M.2 SSD in place. Yung free SSD, let's put it here in the other slot. Yan. Click, tapos screw it in. Just like that. And release. Boom. Got another 256 SSD here. And it's like a thermal pad for the SSD. And lagyan na natin dito. Pero, yan. There you go. Both of our SSDs are installed. Put the big ass cooler on this freaking motherboard. On the center, so it's gonna spread out evenly. It's like poop. Ano nangyayari dito sa CPU eh. Yan. Of course. Dito, CPU fan. So let's just put that in there. Boom. Lagay ko na yung CPU fan header and just now let's install this to that. So let's get the case. Paiga natin yung case syempre. It looks good. Now, let's put the motherboard. Let's add 2 more standoffs here. Yeah, looks good to me. Looks like a PC to me. The main concern here is it really gonna fit? See if it closes. No, I can bear with it. Now guys, for the fun part, the PSU. So I went for a 750 Seasonic Gold here in white, so it's gonna match here. And it's a very reliable S tier power supply, and it's gonna last a very long time for 10 years warranty here. So let's unbox it. So manuals, very good addition to cable management. Okay, look at that. And we got our modular cables. Just tabi mo lang muna natin to. We also have some custom white cables from Lazada, and it's gonna look very good. Dito na natin ilalagay sa baba. Yan. Boom. Yan. Ito yung para sa CPU naman. Go. Secured. Now, for the fun part. Locks in place. Oh, that is a PC right there. That was a fun experience, but not too fun because of that CPU holder. Hope this computer works, and see you when the graphics card is here, because Ryzen 9 cannot run without the graphics card. It needs like a dedicated graphics card kasi wala siyang integrated graphics. So see you later. So, kakahintay ko na ng mga, 5 days and 1 month. Ito na yung graphics card. Yeah, let's open it. Woo! Fresh from China right here. Ang RTX 3070. Whew! Buti nakuha natin to sale. See, this is legit. As I feel, this is legit, bro. Whew! So na, shoots. The card itself. Oh my god. Box. Check natin kung legit to. It looks legit though. Oh yeah! That's legit. That's legit. Hold that up. And that's it. Okay guys, for the moment of truth, let's turn this on right now. Oh my god. Guys, did you see that, guys? Okay, it's lighting up, but let's see if we can get a signal. Oh shoot! Ayan na guys! Shit! Oh my gosh, we're in the BIOS now, guys. Oh my god. Let's see. Memory frequency. Let's not set that to auto. Let's set that to 3600 megahertz. Okay guys, you know, let's just set it up. I'll just set it up muna, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm installing Windows now. Some of the fans on the harap, yung mga chassis fan, hindi siya gumagana. Baka hindi ko na-connect yung Molex connector na maigi, kaya hindi siya gumagana. Pero, you know, we can just fix that. Ang tigas kasi ng Molex, I hate that connector. Okay, it's getting ready. Tanggalin na natin. Whew. Now that's what I'm talking about. Also remove the inside Damn. Legit nga yung 3070 na galing sa Lazada, China. Very good. CPU is legit. Everything's spinning. Let's check our temps. Graphics card, mga 50 degrees. Hindi siya The fans are 0 RPM, so they're basically silent. Sa AMD naman, it's running like 4 GHz in that range. Mainit-init ng konti. So it's like 52. Gumagana. Pero hindi natin alam kung how it will perform in heavy loads. Kasi I can't even download because there is no internet. So guys, it has been a day now and I got the Wi-Fi now working. Salamat sa PLDT and we got some Wi-Fi now. You know, converge is still down. Pero we got here Cinebench R23. Test muna natin yung multi-core kasi that's gonna be our use case scenario here. So install ko naman yung mga stuff dito and stuff, everything. And yeah, yung ginawa ko lang dito is re-replace ko yung thermal paste ng Be Quiet to the Z9 Grease Deep Cool stuff. And look how fast that is. Grabe. That's gonna really help me in rendering 3D graphics and such. So we can speed up our process. So it's a steady 74. Kasi ang ginawa ko is i-undervolt ko siya para hindi siya para tumagal-tagal naman and maging efficient yung ating Ryzen 9. You know, that's some nerdy stuff, pero basically undervolting is like kabaliktaran ng overclocking. Like lowering a little bit of the energy so it's not gonna heat up as much. And it's clearly working here. It's just 75 degrees na lang. And syempre GPU, hindi ginagamit kasi this is a CPU test right here. I'm not planning to overclock it kasi wala tayong AIO cooler na beefy. We just have Be Quiet, which is really good na anyway. Ang problema ko na lang talaga dito is yung airflow, case airflow. So I'm gonna experiment with the intakes. I'm gonna buy like 2 more fans, Lazada 1212, you know, and kasi I want like 4 intakes and 1 exhaust, so it's gonna be like a positive air pressure. Ika nga, mas maraming fresh air galing sa labas, thus cooling the whole everything, hopefully. Pero ito, habang we're talking about that, it's like, you know, let's stop this. Di ko tinapos kasi okay naman yung temps natin sa underload and it's quite fast naman. So we got here Unigine Heaven. This is gonna test our NVIDIA RTX graphics card naman. It's 3070. As we can see, guys, it doesn't lag as much. Pero I can hear the GPU ramping up. That, yeah. Looks really clear right now. Let's see the GPU temp. 74, hovering about that. Yeah, it's hovering about 75, 76. Yeah, looks good, looks good. I mean, scores doesn't matter that much. It's real world use. So, i-quit ko na rin kasi alam mo naman, I'm not fond of that numbers thing, but you know, it's 8 stress test for your GPU and stuff. So, okay naman yung stress test natin sa GPU. Okay naman yung mga temps, nag-steady lang siya. It's not thermal throttling to the max temp. So, okay lang. Ngayon, papakita ko lang sa inyo guys kung ano ba ang nakikita natin sa Minecraft RTX. Yan, ito talaga nagpapainit ng RTX natin kasi RTX nga. Pero yo, that looks like GTA right there. Better than, bro, like, there's some NPCs here. You got Charlie, you got Victoria, skill this. So since our card is full, dito na tayo sa iPhone. I mean, ito na yung Minecraft RTX. Napakita ko na sa inyo guys. Sa mga ibang games, like, let's go to, let's show a last game na. Doom 2016, my favorite game. Yan, partita guys, nagda-download pa ako ng Warzone yan Yan, naka-ultra tayo lahat. It's locked to 140. Graphics looks good. So let's try to shoot this bomb and let's get out of here. Boom. That's the Diggs build, you know. I'm gonna use this for the best video editing ever. GPU rendering, best gaming, streaming. I'm very fortunate to have this and thank you guys for watching. You know, the dream is here. The dream is here. Man. Gotta add some 2 fans though here. Pero that's it. Thank you guys for watching and this is some B-roll and it's gonna end the video. Salamat guys, and this was a really long journey because of the converge and sa shipping. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.